Hmm. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Hmm. I wonder. Well, that's not exactly how cover letters are read, but you get the idea. You want to write a disruptive cover letter that makes the reader want to learn more about you. Keep watching and listening to Talent Smith's Lunch and Learn live stream as we share with you how to write a disruptive cover letter in your digital planner. Welcome to your Level Up Plan webinar. I'm your host, Janet Smith of TalentSmiths. At TalentSmiths, we merge top talent with top organizations for a great match. A really good match. And here at Lunch and Learn Live, we come to you every Thursday with a live stream on YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and LinkedIn Live, bringing you tips and tricks, more tips for career prep, interview prep, and promoting you with your personal brand, your business of one. And in the month of December, in the entire month of December, we're focusing on your 2021 and leveling up your 2021. And more specifically, leveling up your career in 2021 with a plan, with the digital plan, which is why we've recently launched our Level Up Career Planner. It's a digital planner that's going to help you to level up three resources that are going to speak highly about you: your cover letter, your resume, and your LinkedIn profile. This is a 5 week webinar. Here's the lineup of events for this 5 week webinar. We are in week 4, and in week 4, we're talking about writing a disruptive cover letter. In the week to come, in the final week to come, we're going to talk about optimizing your LinkedIn profile. But today, I want to focus on showing you how to navigate the worksheet in your career planner, the worksheet that's going to help you write a cover letter that will get read, that will actually get read. Writing a disruptive cover letter, writing a cover letter that actually gets read. Does your cover letter, the cover letters that you've written in the past, has it made your reader want to learn more about you? Well, that's exactly what a cover letter should be. It should not be a duplicate or another version of your resume in a different format. That's what a cover letter should not be. It should be totally different. It should be full of exciting, intriguing information that makes the reader want to learn more about you. And hence, they will want to bring you in for an interview. And ask yourself these questions. Does your cover letter show your potential employer, which is your potential partner, does it show them how you connect to them? Does it show you what commonality that you have with them? Ask yourself this question. Does your cover letter share what motivates you? Does it share with the reader what you're passionate about and what your purpose is? Well, it should. Does it share and give truthful examples of how you made a positive impact in the past? Does it share specific examples about that? Well, it should. And does your cover letter actually ask for an interview? Well, it should. If you haven't written a disruptive cover letter that includes all of these things, stay tuned and come into our career digital planner within this week 4 webinar so that you can write a disruptive cover letter that actually gets read. And I want you to get your level up digital career planner so that you can walk through this with us and you can walk through this entire planner experience with us. Here are some of the inserts that are inside the planner. 2021 at a glance, your 2021 calendar, your 2021 vision boards. You can even keep your important passwords. You can grow your list of networking contacts and duplicate those pages as needed. And next week, we'll talk about LinkedIn. And today, we're going to go in and work through the worksheet for writing a disruptive cover letter. In case you've missed it, we've talked about your resume and quantifying your experience to make sure you actually meet the position description requirements. And we have so many stickers for you that come with your planner. Over 200 stickers come with your planner, and there's even more stickers that you can purchase to go along just to keep you on track and to help you with the functionality of navigating through your digital planner. In case you've missed the resume webinar, you'll want to subscribe to TalentSmiths YouTube channel so that you can catch that episode and any of the other ones that you may have missed. You'll also want to subscribe to TalentSmiths YouTube channel so that you can listen to our latest productive music playlist. We have a productivity music playlist all around the holiday for December. It is out now and it's ready for you to listen to as you work to the beat of leveling up your personal brand, which is your business of one, by updating your resume, your cover letter, and your LinkedIn profile all inside your Level Up Career Digital Planner. You'll be able to keep it in a place at your fingertips where you can easily go back and make edits and make changes and add all of your progress and track all of your progress as well. So if you have questions about this Level Up Career Planner as we go through the cover letter, write them below and let me know. Let me know whatever questions you have. And of course, TalentSmiths is meeting you where you are. You can reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, on our website, as well as on LinkedIn. And if you need a career coaching call, you can contact us to schedule a 15-minute consult as well. So let's get inside so that we can write a descriptive cover letter. If you're a visual like me, you'll want to see what that looks like. Let's get inside. Let's journey into completing our cover letter. Once you're into the cover letter tab, you can then slide to the next page and you'll be able to read all of the information that shows you how to write your disruptive cover letter. This is all the details that you can review before you go into the worksheet. The next section has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections of your cover letter. And then on this side, this has the specifics of what goes into each section. So this is your disruptive cover letter. This is the voice of your resume. This is the person inside of your resume. And in this disruptive cover letter, you want to build interest. You want to build interest for the reader so that they will want to learn even more about you. So let's go into what those sections look like. This is your template showing you exactly the outline of your cover letter, and here are the details. Let's go into those details. So this first section is your name and contact information, and you want to have your address, your phone number, as well as your email address, and the date that you're creating this. And then in the salutation, you want to have the hiring manager's name, the company's address as well. If you don't have the specific hiring manager's name, you can just say, "Dear hiring manager," or "Dear hiring team." You do not want to say "to whom it may concern." You want to say, "Dear hiring manager." After that, you want to have a headline before each paragraph. So there's 3 different paragraphs and you want to have a headline over each paragraph. The very first paragraph that you create is going to be a connection paragraph. So you want to have a connection headline. You want to have an attention-grabbing, powerful connection headline for this very first paragraph. And in this paragraph, you're going to say why you want to work here. You're going to say what you admire about the company. And in the second paragraph, you want to have another attention-grabbing headline. Your attention-grabbing headline, you want it to be tailored. You want it to be a tailored message for this second paragraph, which is a motivational paragraph. You want to explain in this paragraph what service you offer. You want to explain why you are motivated to be the best at doing what you do. And so the body of your cover letter, you want to do that at 11-point fonts. The name and the headings on your cover letter, you want to do those at 18-point fonts. There are no bullets in your cover letter. And so the third paragraph, you want to have a bold headline, and you want to make this another attention-grabbing headline, and you want to make it relevant. This paragraph, you're going to give examples. You're going to explain how you made an impact by offering the specific service that you offer. And you're going to explain why and what you did to get the results that you got. And the last paragraph is your call to action paragraph. This is the paragraph where you're actually going to ask them for an interview. You're going to share your contact information so they know exactly how to contact you when they receive your cover letter. When you're doing your cover letter, you want to make sure that it's all aligned to the left. And on the next page, this is your worksheet where you can actually go into your pen tool. You can either choose to type your information in as you fill this out directly on this page, or you can write in your information directly on this page. So I can write my name, I can write my address, and if you want to make it a little bit bigger, because let's make it look a little bit better. I can write my name. Usually when you have a larger space, it's easier for you to write. And my address. So once you finish all of this information, you can then go to your lasso tool and you can lasso it. You can tap and hold, you can copy it, and then you can paste it onto this side so that you can see all of the information that you've included into your cover letter. Your homework is to write a disruptive cover letter this week, and definitely tune in next week as we go into our LinkedIn profile and learning how to optimize your LinkedIn profile.